A GMO or genetically modified organism is a plant, animal, or microorganism whose DNA has been changed using science. This is done to help them develop useful traits like being stronger against pests, needing less water, or growing faster. Moving on, farmers in the Philippines use GMO crops like BT corn, golden rice, and BT eggplant to help them reduce pest damage and improve harvests. This means they can earn more income and produce more food for local communities. GMOs also help the country face challenges such as climate change, limited farmland, and rising food demand. GMOs are carefully checked by the government agencies like the DOST, DA, TANR, and Department of Health to make sure they're safe for people, animals, and the environment. Although some people still worry about their effects on health and the environment.
BT corn is a type of maize that's been genetically modified to resist insect pests, especially the Asiatic corn borer. Scientists inserted a gene from a soil bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis, or BT, into the corn's DNA. This gene allows the plant to produce a natural insecticide called cryprotein that kills pests when they feed on the corn. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and help farmers increase their yield. Golden rice is a special variety of rice that's been engineered to produce beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. To make golden rice, scientists added genes from plants and bacteria that triggers the production of beta-carotene in the rice grain's edible part. That's why the rice has a golden yellow color. It's a great example of how GMOs can be used to improve nutrition. BT eggplant is designed to fight off the fruit and shoot borer, a pest that causes major damage to eggplant crops in the Philippines. Like BT corn, it contains a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis that produces a toxin harmful to the pest. This modification helps farmers to reduce crop losses and pesticide use. It was approved for commercial cultivation in 2022 after passing biosafety assessment.
GMOs help farmers grow more crops because they resist pests, diseases, and bad weather. They reduce pesticide use, making farming safer for people and the environment. Some, like golden rice, have more nutrients, and overall GMOs improve harvest quality, protect nature, and help farmers earn more.
So, what are the impacts of GMO in Philippine society? So, on the positive effects, we have the farmers. Many Filipino farmers, including low-income households, have benefited from growing GM corn. It increases their yield and reduces the need for pesticides, helping them earn higher incomes. The adoption of GM corn has improved productivity in the corn industry and allowed the Philippines to export corn silage to other countries. About one-third of corn farmers in the country now plant GM corn. It effectively controls pests such as the Asian corn borer and helps reduce production costs and health risks related to pesticide use. Now, for the positive effect for consumers, GM crops like golden rice are designed to produce beta-carotene and a source of vitamin A. This helps address vitamin A deficiency, especially among children, and supports better public health. Now, for the positive effect for environment, pest-resistant GM crops require less pesticide use, which reduces the environmental contamination and health risk. Some reporters also note reduced fuel use and a shift to less harmful farming practices. Now, lastly, the positive effect for economy. The use of GM crops improves production efficiency and output, creating economic gains for the agricultural sector. These benefits are seen across all income groups, including low-income farmers. So, overall, the impact is a positive in a national scale.
Dahil sa mga tinataglay nitong iba't ibang kemikal ay ito ay possible na mag-cause ng health risk sa mga farmers at sa community nakapalibot dito. Additionally, there is a decline in crop variety and biodiversity, alongside study indicating that GMO foods can be toxic in various organs in animals. Economy, the increasing cost of seeds for farmers may lead to debt and the establishment of corporate monopolies over the food supply through patents. Possible na mag-cause ng health risk sa mga farmers at sa community nakapalibot dito. To conclude, maraming epekto ang GMO sa atin, kagaya sa health, sa farmers, sa consumers, at ang pagkautang at pagkawala ng mga lupain ng mga magsasaka.